Hey everyone, David here. Sorry I hadn't been on in a while. I know that's a common introduction to these videos lately. But I got myself a feed grinder and mixer. It is hooked up to the 2810, which is about I think was told 35 horsepower. I'm not familiar with tractors or whatever. However, I've been testing it out with this tractor. Was told that it's best to run the feed grinder on 60 plus horsepower, but the PTO that's coming out of this tractor is running the grinder perfectly, which frees up the other tractor over there. So when I get bulk bags, I can hold that above and do everything. However, it's a Farmhand 822, and we'll do a quick walk around. So this here is where I will auger corn and grains and things like that straight, and it goes into here, which is down into a hammer mill, which we'll walk on the other side of it. Undo this real quick. There we go. So this is a screen, and right here are the hammers that flail around and beat the crap out of the grains till they fall down into here, which is then augered. Let's see. Which is then let's see. I'm trying to exactly figure out where it's going. Blower motor comes up, mixes it down into this chute, which then offloads into here, which is the holding tank. And inside of this holding tank, let's see if we can get up here. There is a corkscrew auger in the center, which when there's enough product or feed or grains or whatever that you're mixing, it'll auger up, and this paddle here will flail it around, mixing it. But yeah, let's step back down. This hopper here is for minerals or small ingredients, and that gets augered right into there. Let's see. But yeah, once everything is mixed, let's go back over here. I pull this knob to the on position, which engages this auger here and this one here, and then comes out. Let's see. And I can pivot this arm out to wherever I need it to offload, which I will be offloading in these IBC totes. That way I can easily move it around, the feed around and everything. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got a feed mill / grinder mixer. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. This will definitely help me be able to control exactly what's going in my feed, which then exactly goes into my animals. And it saves me some money. Ouch. But yeah, I'm excited, and catch the next video. We'll be making some broiler feed. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.